Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning your Apple Watch on and off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To turn off an Apple Watch, hold down on the side button for several seconds until a menu appears. Where it says Power Off, swipe your finger from the power icon to the right. Your watch will now turn off. To turn the watch on, hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo. If your watch is frozen or not responding, you can also force restart it. To do that, hold down the digital crown and the side button until you see the Apple logo, and then let go. Your watch will now restart and the problem should be fixed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.